All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the continued illegal detention of the Hurriyat leaders and activists languishing in the different jails of India and occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Hurriyat chairman Musarrat Alam Butt and other leaders had been unjustly imprisoned in the politically motivated cases. Indian troops launched a search operation in the Jammu district. The troops and the personnel of the Special Operation Group of the police conducted the operation in the forest belts near the Balaji temple in Mujeen area on the outskirts of the Jammu city. High Court in occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of the 3 innocent Kashmiris booked under the draconian law, the Public Safety Act. The detainees have been identified as Ijaz Ahmed Dar, Adil Ahmed Paul and Muhammad Amin Bande. National Conference has called for an impartial investigation into the death of a youth while in the police custody in the Pulwama district. The civilian, identified as Imtiaz Ahmed Pala, a mechanic by profession, was tortured to death at the Litter police station in the district. Indian Border Security Force personnel shot dead 26-year-old man in the Samba district. The incident occurred in the Regal border post area along the working boundary. Awami Action Committee has paid rich tributes to the leader and the socio-political activist Shaheed Masjid Maulvi Mushtaq Ahmed on his 20th martyrdom anniversary. The AAC, in a statement issued in Srinagar, termed his contribution to the organization and the social services as invaluable and unforgettable.